Don't let your conservatory go to waste. Too cold in winter and too hot in summer. These are the two common problems with having a conservatory. Have yours insulated using our unique Conservaheat system. We're here today to visit one of our recent customers and see what they think of their new insulated conservatory ceiling. So Gordon, what was the reason you reached out to us at Insulator in the first place, and how did you hear about us?
Well, in a conversation with a relative, they told me they had recently had their conservatory insulated using the Conservaheat system and highly recommended that I should consider doing the same. It's really important to me as I enjoy watching the scenery and also watching my great-grandchildren playing in my garden.
So Gordon, you already had a conservatory. What made you look at insulating your conservatory?
The reason was that in the summer my conservatory became uncomfortably hot to sit in and enjoy, and in the winter it was freezing cold and costing me a fortune to heat the room.
So what did you do next?
I placed a call back request on the Insulated website and spoke to Ashley, who was very helpful and recommended me to fill in the form. Shortly after, I had a call from the survey team and booked my free quote for the following day.
And how did you find the survey team when they visited you?
They visited my home and we agreed a very reasonable price to install the Conservaheat system.
How did you find the installation?
A week later, a team of installers came and took great care of my furniture and floor while insulating my conservatory. It took them a day and I was very happy with the service.
So now your Conservaheat has been installed, do you find you are using your conservatory more often?
I'm amazed at how my conservatory is now transformed. It's now the most used room in my home. I can now sit in here for hours. I would highly recommend the fantastic service from Insulated to anyone who wants to enjoy their conservatory the way it's supposed to be.
To get your free, no obligation quote for our exclusive Conservaheat system, click the link or head to www.insulate-it.com. Fill in the form and a member of our team will contact you within 1 hour. Thank you from all of us here at Insulator.